I'm Zen Love, Gear Patrol's Watches staff writer. If you wear a watch regularly, it'll get dirty. Here's how to clean it.
15 seconds. That's about how long it takes to open up a whole new sensation in the all-new Lexus LC convertible. The feelings of warm sun and cool breeze, the sound of heart-pounding engine notes. And that's on top of the exhilaration you feel from peak performance. With real-time suspension dampening, a lightweight chassis, and agile handling, the LC convertible arrives without compromise. The all-new Lexus LC convertible. Experience amazing at its most amazing.
First, here are the products we're going to use to clean a watch today. Microfiber cloth, a spring bar tool, a sink or container of water, very mild liquid soap, a hand towel, Watchmaker cleaning sticks, and optionally, a soft toothbrush. I'm going to demonstrate how to clean a watch, but if you want to see it all in one place, here are the 6 steps. Step 1, remove leather and textile straps. Step 2, get in the nooks with the Watchmaker cleaning sticks. Step 3, check all hinges and corners in the bracelet, extension, and clasp. Step 4, rinse in clean, room temperature water. Step 5, gently pat dry with soft towel or microfiber cloth. Step 6, when dry, wipe down again with microfiber cloth. If you wear a watch regularly, it's going to get dirty with fingerprints and dust. However, on a daily basis, simply wiping it off with a microfiber cloth is the best way to keep it looking clean and shiny. If you, however, buy a used watch, that would be an example of when you might want to give it a more thorough cleaning. When you take a watch in for service is also a time when it'll get thoroughly cleaned by a watchmaker, but that's not the kind of thing you have to worry about except for every 2 to 3 to 5 years. Only follow these instructions if you are completely comfortable getting your watch wet. Step 1, remove leather and textile straps. It's okay to keep steel and most other metal bracelets on your watch while cleaning it, but if you have a leather strap or textile of any kind like a NATO strap, you want to remove it from the watch before getting it wet. To do this, you'll want to, from the back of the watch, use a spring bar tool to pry the spring bar out from under the lugs. This can be tricky sometimes, but it's not too difficult. For watches that can get wet, like dive watches, before getting them wet, you'll want to make sure the crown is screwed down completely. This is very important because you can break a watch by getting water inside of it. Step 2, get in the nooks with a cleaning stick or a swab. You can use a cleaning stick to get in to the little nooks and scrape away any accumulated crud. And this is very easy, but you want to be gentle in order to avoid scratching your watch. All metals can scratch, but some are softer than others, such as bronze and titanium is softer than steel, and polished surfaces will likely show scratches more than brushed materials. Step 3, check all the hinges and corners in the bracelet extension and clasp. Surfaces are one thing, but give an extra look at any areas around hinges or fasteners, like the clasp mechanism and between the links and the watch case, under the bezel, or any other little nooks and crannies where dirt can hide. Step 4, rinse in clean room temperature water. Using clean room temperature tap water, rinse your watch off. If any crud doesn't easily rinse off, you can use a mild diluted soap solution to get the rest. It's best to avoid harsh solutions since they can damage watertight gaskets. If your watch bezel rotates while you're rinsing, rotate it a bit to ensure there's nothing caught underneath. Step 5, gently pat dry with a dry towel or a microfiber cloth. Don't rub your watch dry. If there are any particles left over, you may scratch it. Instead, pat the water off using your hand towel and let it air dry. Step 6. When dry, wipe the watch down with the microfiber cloth. Get rid of any water spots and remove any new dust from your watch and bracelet and give it a good polish before wearing it again. A couple of other things to keep in mind for your DIY watch cleaning. If it's very dirty, you might want to leave it for a watch servicing professional. And if you are going to do it yourself, you want to make sure that it is the type of watch that can handle getting wet, as we've suggested. Don't do this to your watch unless you are completely comfortable submerging it in water. Never open a case back and try to clean the movement by yourself. If there is dirt on the dial, these are jobs left for professionals. If you notice moisture or grime on the dial, or for example through a display case back where you can see the movement, those are indications that your watch probably needs a servicing soon anyway, and watchmakers can help you clean that stuff off. So that is how to clean a watch. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and good luck. Share your pics with us on social media and stay safe.